Did you know that you can access your Trust wallet or any of your decentralized wallets from your OKEx Exchange? Yes, you can actually do that. It's part of the recent update on OKEx Exchange app. All you have to do is simply open up your OKEx Exchange app, and then at the top of the app, the homepage of the app, you will see MetaX. Now, this is one way to accommodate the whole newest trends in the crypto space that have to do with Web3, Metaverse, and all of that, so that we are really venturing into Web3, where it's a decentralized internet. And one of the key things about Web3 is the decentralized identities. So you don't even need you just need a wallet to synchronize across platforms. So with a wallet, you can do whatever you need to do without signing in with your email address and all of that, with your centralized identity. You only need your wallet address. So this integration is their way of getting involved in the Web3. So you click on the MetaX and it takes you into welcome to MetaX, and you will see, or you will have to load up your wallet. You see a place to either import your wallet or create a new wallet. In the import, you simply use your recovery phrase from your Trust wallet or any other decentralized wallet you're using to store your assets, and then you load it up, and voila, you have all your assets showing. So you can send and receive your tokens into your wallet, centralized wallet, and you can trade too. You can swap. So you don't have to leave the OKEx Exchange app to start looking for another app. So everything now is in one app. So instead of you having several applications on your phone, you just simply have one app that gives you access to both the centralized world of crypto and the decentralized world of crypto. So you can simply swap from one crypto to the other with all the gas price, the slippages that you get, all the advantages of using other applications. This is the NFT market. So where you can do all your flippings and all of that. You can do your flippings and buy, make an offer and all. Then these are like initial gaming offerings, rankings, and then look at the apps. Same way you have your app browser is very available here. Like this is a complete centralized wallet available on your OKEx Exchange app, which is a decentralized exchange. This is a blend. Everything in one app. So are you going to check it out? I really hope you do, because this is like the connection. This is Web3 right here. Don't miss out on all these Web3 revolutions and participate in it. So if you're going to check this out, just click the like button. If you've already done that, click the share button, and don't forget to turn on the notification button on to get further videos. See you in my next video.